Ready to taste the most soul-hugging butter chicken you have ever made. Creamy, smoky, rich, but with a healthy, soulful twist. Let's cook magic right from my heart to your plate. This isn't your just dinner, this is comfort food therapy. Let's get started. Here what you need for this recipe: 1 pound boneless chicken thighs or the breast cut into medium cube size for a better marination. For the marination, you will need a half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin powder, salt to taste, and a ghee or avocado oil. Marinate and let this rest for at least 1 hour or overnight for deep flavor. Now for the tomato creamy cashew sauce, you will need 2 tomatoes, half onion, 6 to 8 cashew soaked, half green chilies, salt, maple syrup, ground cumin, and a half cup of water. Make it a silky smooth paste. Once marinate the chicken, we are going to sear or grill the chicken. You can bake it at 400 Fahrenheit or you can just use the cast iron skillet and cook for 20 to 25 minutes both sides. Pan sear on a medium high heat until lightly cooked through. Slice into a bite-sized pieces once done. The sauce into the butter and the ghee and cook the sauce for like 25 to 30 minutes or until like it changes color. Also don't forget to add red chili powder, ground cumin powder and the turmeric and the salt for taste. The gravy is done, mix your cooked chicken into the gravy and final touch with the cream cheese and also a kasuri methi for that final flavor. Optional, you can add also a touch of garam masala or smoked paprika for depth. Simmer on low for 7 to 8 minutes until creamy and flavorful. Serve it hot with steamed basmati rice, garlic naan or roti. Top with cream drizzle, cilantro and lemon wedges. You can also even pair it with cucumber raita for balance. There you have it, creamy, dreamy, soulful butter chicken made with a heart, spiced with a love and served with a piece. If this recipe warmed your soul, give it a like, share and share it with a foodie friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more soulful, mindful flavor journeys. Until next time, keep glowing, keep cooking and keep healing, one bite at a time.